In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove Printer Center in the Control Center on an iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. This is where you can quickly access various tools and shortcuts on your iPhone without opening the Settings app every time. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. This opens the menu where you can customize which controls appear in your Control Center. Then tap on Add a Control at the bottom. This brings up a list of all the available shortcuts and widgets you can add. From here, search for Printer Center in the list and tap on it to add it to your Control Center. Once it's added, you can quickly access your printer settings, see print jobs, and manage printing directly without opening any apps. If you ever want to remove it, just press the minus icon above the Printer Center icon in the Control Center and it will be removed immediately. This makes it easy to keep your Control Center tidy and only include the shortcuts you use most often. Adding Printer Center is especially handy if you frequently print documents or photos from your iPhone, as it gives you one-tap access to all your print jobs. And that's it. Swipe down to open Control Center, tap the plus icon, choose Add a Control, and select Printer Center to add or remove it. So that's how you add or remove Printer Center in the Control Center on your iPhone.